They got out, I assume? Or are they trying to drive them down here?
Look at the cow.
This many cows got out, I'd be very scared.
What is this, Moo Meadows times 2?
Come.
What?
That one. He's right by the sign. Sorry.
They're moving out of the
This
way.
is Moo Meadows times 10.
They're smarter than deer, I think.
Moo Meadows times 10.
Oh, look at the little ones.
Look at that one.
Look at the
252 on us here.
Yeah. Oh, they got branded. You can see the fresh brands on the little guy.
Wait, so you can buy the cows from the road? There's a cow beside us, Daddy. Watch out.
Yeah, there's one right next to us.
No, it's his mom. She doesn't look happy.
She's like, get out of the road, dummy. I can honestly say I've never had this before. You see movies like in Scotland where they've got the sheep in the road, you know?
Right.
You've got
Is
the
there
cows
anybody
in the road.
behind us?
Oh, here comes somebody.
This happens in
No,
Mario
there's horses
Kart.
behind us,
This happens in Mario Kart.
but- Is it?
Yeah.
Moo Meadows, yeah.
Maybe they're just like, thanks for the help.
Is this supposed
Keep
to happen?
driving them doggies.
Is this supposed to be
Careful
happening?
of that white guy.
What white guy?
This one keeps going in front of us.
Which one?
Oh, but that Toyota is really screwed because I'm pushing him all over by him.
Oh, watch out. The white guy right there.
Oh, I know, that's him.
The white guy? Where's the white guy?
He's over here. He keeps
Oh, there's
trying to
somebody else
come
coming. Oh, I see.
back. That's what I was saying. That Toyota is really causing havoc.
Oh man, that guy's staring us down.
Which guy?
Which guy?
The white one?
That guy right up there. The
The small yellowish one. Small yellowish one.
D. Yeah. Oh, look, stop, man.
There's a white one in the middle of the road.
This guy's just like pushing through. He didn't care.
And they keep walking with us too. So
Why is this happening right now? Daddy, watch out. There's...
They're obviously driving the cattle because there's more horses guys
Yeah.
up here and there's ones behind us.
Wait, what?
I don't know where they're taking them to, but maybe they're switching fields or something.
Maybe
Maybe they just
switching-
branded him and now they're putting him back.
Yeah, because that's a fresh brand.
Yeah.
Up,
They're
this
so
little young guy.
hungry. They're all eating.
Why aren't there
They're
tags
so
on their
huge.
ears? What happened to the white guy on the
Ciao,
middle of the
Mama.
So he's got a band-aid on his butt.
road? Where?
This one right here.
oh, that one does too.
Yeah, maybe they're doing blood draws too or something.
Yeah.
What happened
Oh,
to
this
that
guy
one
up
right
here.
What happened to that one right there?
What? Almost there.
The baby one next to that.
I'm just gonna keep on
Little,
going forward.
little one in front of us.
The one that's next to this.
He didn't get branded yet. He's probably too young.
Okay, why are there cows? But there's cows behind us too.
No.
We're almost through. Almost
That
through.
one now.
Oh,
The cute one.
The cute.
The cute tiny black one.
Got dogs too. Dogs and harps.
where?
I see a dog.
Move, buddy.
Well, that's a cow. Never mind.
I don't see no dogs.
He's got 2 dogs up here.
Oh! Where's the two dogs?
And we
They're by
made
the
it.
horse.
That's kind of cool.